Good morning, Pallab. Yes, good morning, students. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
All are fine.
How are you? You are nice?
I'm
Okay.
fine, ma'am.
You're fine.
What
Good.
about you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. Fine and healthy. Let us wait for 1 or 2 minutes as students are joining.
No.
Okay, Amar. Stay home, stay safe. Don't you want that we should meet? We should have our physical classes, Amar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. He's saying stay home, stay safe. Okay, let us wait for 1 or 2 minutes more. Okay, let more join. Meanwhile, I think 2 students have joined in your batch, in your section recently. So, could I know one by one who are those 2 new students? Please give your introduction. You will switch on your camera and then you will speak. Meanwhile, some more students will join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Jitendra Yadav. I'm from
Yes,
Je- I'm from Butera, Jaipur, Butera Govindgarh, and I have joined.
fine. Yes, Jitendra, speak. What is your percentage in senior secondary? Jitendra, are you able to hear the sound? Okay, fine. I think he's having some network issue. Yes, students, good morning all. I think everyone is fine and healthy. Okay, good. So, just let me know from one student that what we were discussing in the previous class, what topic we were discussing in the previous class. Just one of you, 1 or 2 of you, please mention quickly.
Yes,
General
ma'am.
question, ma'am.
Yes,
General
About
question.
the features of good communications and
about
non-verbal, yes, and about the non-verbal communication we were all discussing about.
okay, okay. And see, I think this was Divya. Divya was speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please pay attention to this point, students, that whenever you are answering, as many a time you might be having some network issue, so you are not able to switch on your camera. So the point is that you have to first tell your name that I am so and this is my answer. Okay, so that we can all know that who is answering. Many a time people do not notice towards the inscription which is coming on the screen. So please say your name first and then answer the question. Okay, so yes, Divya, she is right. Any other student wants to add something more to that about the previous class discussion? Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Aparna.
Yes, speak a bit loud. Keep your, I think if you're using the earphone, please keep your mic near your mouth.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm
Ah,
Aparna, and we were talking
yes.
about the features of good communication skills. And in this topic, we were talking like excellent written and oral communication skills, confident professional speaking abilities, writing creative or factual, and excellent presentation and navi-
Okay, fine. Fine, Arpana, your voice was now comparative clear, okay, to me. And I think many other students were also able to hear your voice clearly and very nice, okay. Whatever points you have mentioned, it reflects that you were much attentive in the class, okay, because maximum of the topics you have mentioned, which we were discussing in the previous class, okay. And see, whenever we talk about classroom activities, we do discussions, okay, we do learnings, we do not talk, okay, we discuss. Is this point clear, students? See, for the communication context, these points we have to take care of, okay, at least from now onwards, as we are involved in a very serious affair of doing the graduation in technology. At the same time, we will be technocrat professionals, okay, so a serious responsibility lies on us, okay, on you particularly. Okay, so as the serious responsibility lies, so using the words cautiously and the right words, that is also one of the very important feature of effective communication. We have discussed that, okay, in relation to effective writing and effective speaking. Okay, while we speak, while we write, we have to use, we are expected to use the very relevant, the very exact words to say the information. Do you agree with this point, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Okay, so now onwards, although in a very simple language, it is quite correct to say that we were talking about. But as now I expect that you have to go for the advanced words also at the same time. Okay, so in that sequence, now the very advanced word for classroom activity is what? When we are speaking, when we are writing something, okay, when we are having the questionnaire session, it is all part of discussion. Okay, it is a form of discussion we do in the class. So what word you will use now? That we discussed, okay, or we had clarification regarding. So you have to now move for the advanced words. Okay, now before starting the class discussion, I just want to suggest 2 or 3 points, students. To you people. Okay, what are those 2, 3 points that all of you please need to maintain one separate copy of vocabulary improvement for this subject HSM 101, English communication and public speaking skills part 1. Okay, for this you have to maintain a separate copy for the vocabulary skills. Is this point clear to all? And
Yes, ma'am.
from today itself, okay, you will mention the date. Actually,
Raj, are you there? Yes, Raj.
yes, what happened? क्या
Ma'am, I
हुआ?
want to know that is present here or not.
Yes, what happened? क्या हुआ? Are you able to see the screen, students? Are you able to see the presentation?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
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 Okay, fine. So I'm just having some discussion
Ma'am, we are
or
not able
some
to see the
suggestion.
presentation on the screen.
You're not
Ma'am, your
able to see
screen
the
is not
presentation.
visible.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, at present I'm speaking to you, so maybe that is the reason. Okay,
Okay, okay, ma'am.
maybe that is the reason. I'll be sharing that presentation when then you will be able to see that. Yes, what I was telling, that you have to maintain one copy for the vocabulary skills. Okay, and from today onwards you will mention the date. Is this point clear to everyone? You will mention the date. I'll be asking
Yes,
you
ma'am.
to upload the image of that copy of yours time to time in the Google Classroom account. Okay, you will be receiving the information soon regarding our Google Classroom account for this subject. Okay, so time to time I'll be asking you to upload your works image, what you have done in that copy, in that Google Classroom. Okay, that is assignment. This is the assignment, okay, which has started from today itself, that you have to maintain a copy for the vocabulary. Okay, and what task you have to do is daily you have to read something. Okay, for at least 2 weeks I am giving you the choice. I'm giving you the choice to read the topic of your own interest, and from that topic read of yours, okay, whatever you have read, from that you have to at least note down 20 difficult words you found. Okay, you found. Okay, maybe there could be any reason of the difficulty level of your finding regarding that word. Maybe that word is not difficult for some other students, but yes, what I am saying, that as an individual student, what of the words you found slightly difficult, slightly longer one. Okay, or maybe you were finding that you are not able to pronounce that word easily. Okay, or you do not know the correct pronunciation of that word. Okay, so all these things you can think of, and at least 20 words from that reading of yours you have to write down. Is this point clear? And please do not try to copy with each other. ऐसा नहीं करना, ठीक है, कि एक दो स्टूडेंट्स आपके जो फ्रेंड्स बन गए हैं या ऑलरेडी जो फ्रेंड्स ने एडमिशन लिया है, ठीक है, आपकी इस बार तुम कर लो, मैं कॉपी कर लूंगा, मैम को क्या पता चलेगा. आई विल बी आस्किंग यू questions from those assignments of yours. Okay, start doing this vocabulary exercise. State. All of you will read something, okay, fitting you with certain limitations of reading, that at least you have to read one or two essays or one or two informations, detailed information. No, okay, there is no limitation from my side at this particular point of time. You can read topic of your choice, okay, topic of your choice, and the length of the text you want to read, you are comfortable with. ठीक है, जो भी जितना भी आपको टाइम मिल रहा है, ठीक है, आप प्लीज पढ़िए, लेकिन सब वो वर्ड्स न्यू हो सकते हैं.
Ma'am, your voice is not
बोलो,
clear.
आपको टाइम मिल रहा है, ठीक है, आप प्लीज पढ़िए, लेकिन सब वो वर्ड्स न्यू हो सकते हैं, वो वर्ड्स आपके अकॉर्डिंग डिफिकल्ट हो सकते हैं, वो वर्ड्स मे बी यू फाइंड कि उनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपको डिफिकल्ट लगता है या यू आर नॉट एबल टू प्रोनाउंस देम करेक्टली. ठीक है, आप लिखेंगे, ठीक है, रैंडम. मैं इसी क्लास में किसी भी स्टूडेंट के अकाउंट से वो इंफॉर्मेशन पिक करूंगी, ठीक है, और आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी इसी क्लास में. ठीक है, तो ये आप अभी करना शुरू करो आज से ही. कोई भी टॉपिक आप पढ़ सकते हो. सपोज आपका स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट है किसी का, तो आप स्पोर्ट्स की इंफॉर्मेशन चाहे न्यूज़पेपर से पढ़ो, चाहे कोई ऐसे बुक है आपके पास वहां से पढ़ो, चाहे आप गूगल से पढ़ो. ठीक है, कहीं से भी पढ़िए, लेकिन आप डेली पढ़ेंगे. एवरी डे यू विल रीड इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट. पढ़ने से मतलब ये नहीं कि हिंदी, मैम आपने तो लैंग्वेज स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया, मैं स्पेसिफाई कर रही हूँ लैंग्वेज आपको, ठीक है। इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट आप पढ़ेंगे, इंग्लिश इंफॉर्मेशन आप पढ़ेंगे। सपोज आप साइंटिफिक इन्वेस्टिगेशंस में इंटरेस्टेड हो, उसमें भी
Ma'am, your
particular
audio is not clear, ma'am.
It is not clear. What happened?
It is just lagging.
Lagging. Maybe there is some problem in this Google Meet system itself. Maybe that is the reason. Okay. So let us check. Let us check this. Yes, now, are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
see some
Yes,
content,
ma'am.
some best
Yes, ma'am.
communication states?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
fine, fine, fine.
Ma'am,
And what
ma'am,
about
Yes, ma'am.
sound?
write it.
Yes?
We have to write it.
No, you can. Yes, you can write it also. And also I have shared in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I have shared this particular information in your WhatsApp group also. So if you want to note down, you can definitely note down, and it is a good habit. Okay, it's a good habit. You can note down also, but already I have provided you. So I think we discussed all these points. No, we discussed about the features. Now we have to check the best states, okay, or we can say some of those best states we are discussing here. Okay, these can be many except these. So is my sound clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
So this is the point, that some best states or some states, okay, which reflect the effectivity of communication. I think in this sequence, we need to start in your section. Okay, so the first is having effective listening skills. Okay, see, listening is also a skill. Okay, somebody maybe at initial state is not that much good in listening, but it can be gained. Okay, by continued practice, it can be gained, it can be achieved. Clear? And listening, this is the advanced step of hearing. Okay, hearing the sound, it means identifying the sound, and also understanding, trying to understand that why that particular information has been forwarded. Okay, where to use this, okay, how it has been framed. If all these type of understanding questions are there, okay, or those are coming to the listener's mind, okay, it means the listening is happening. Although we will discuss all these points in detail in later time, but here this much also you need to understand, that listening is bit advanced step of hearing. Maybe many a time we think that these are synonyms of each other, hearing and listening. Okay, yes, these are used as synonyms, but listening has slightly advanced, we can say, concept of it. Okay, hearing means just identifying the sound. For example, as I just mentioned for one of the students, that you were quite attentive in the class. Okay, as she was able to mention maximum of the points we discussed in the previous class. Okay, so, and how she was able to say that, how she was able to share that information, due to the information permanent in her memory. Okay, as she memorized, so she was able to tell those information. Okay, that is one state. But if someone, okay, is not at all answering related to this question. Just an example I am giving you. Okay. And or if someone is of that state that is only referring one or two words. Okay. Just we can say the very main topic the person is able to convey, and rest all information is not able to explain. Okay. Then this particular situation has to be checked in this way. Okay. That the person who is just able to say one or two words in relation to some previous discussion, in relation to some previous communication occasion, or the person is not at all able to say anything about that. Okay. It means the person was only hearing. Okay. The person was involved in a state of hearing only. Is this point clear, students? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
It means the person was just hearing. Okay. But if somebody is able to explain much more information related to some previous communication occasion or some previous discussion, okay, then it means the person was listening at that occasion. Okay. So this is the difference between two. Hearing is not related to memory. Listening is related to memory and understanding. Okay. So it is expected that when one is involved in some communication occasion, okay, some communication context, one must do listening instead of hearing only. Okay. Hearing is one step of listening. Clear? So if one is in habit of listening or one listens to the informations, then definitely there will be a state of effective communication. Why? Because there will be less confusion, less diversion, and the exact information will be there in the person's mind. Okay. So accordingly, the understanding will also be affected and the effective communication can happen. Okay.
Hello,
Or it
ma'am.
will happen. Yes.
Some students are unable to join the meeting.
So you can permit them. If you are noticing, you can just click admit. You can also admit. Okay. Please
No,
admit
ma'am,
them.
we can't admit, ma'am.
You can't do.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let me do then. Let me do. Yes, आप लोग इतना लेट क्यों ज्वाइन कर रहे हो भाई? हाँ? Why you people are so late?
सॉरी मैम, मैं अभी घर पे नहीं हूँ. मेरा संडे को एग्जाम है, तो 2 दिन लॉकडाउन है, तो मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ. 5 में हूँ अभी.
ओके ओके फाइन, ठीक है. आप कौन बोल रहे हो?
मैं हिमांशु चौधरी बोल रहा हूँ.
हिमांशु चौधरी. ओके ओके, ठीक है. ठीक है हिमांशु. So that is the point. We were discussing about listening in terms of effective communication, or we can say good communication. Now, the next point is non-verbal communication. Okay. Now here you just check this point. Non-verbal communication. What do we mean by this? Verbal means words. Okay. And the word non is added with that. The prefix non is added with that. Okay. So it means without words. Non का मतलब क्या होता है? Without. It is not there. Okay. So without words, communication.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how, then the question is there that how communication can happen without words. We are always talking about the word communication in terms of words, speaking, writing only. So how this communication can happen without words? Okay, it can happen. It happens. Knowingly, unknowingly, it happens. Okay, all the time, it happens. Okay, for example, जैसे सपोज अभी जैसे आपका कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो गया है, आपकी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो गई है, ठीक है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट हैपेंस, मैक्सिमम ऑफ you get up early, okay, you prepare yourself for the class, you arrange your device, you arrange your infrastructure for the class, okay. In that infrastructure, your pen, copies, your laptop, your desktop, your mobile phone, okay, your net, all these things you just check, okay, without saying anything, all the time, all the days, okay, about this repetitive action you are doing, okay. And many a time, even many of the family members are helping you out to make arrangement for your classes to start or have smooth classes, okay. So many a time it happens that when you get up, you find that your mother or your father has arranged all these things and you have to get ready, you have to have your breakfast, okay. You quickly, without any instruction, okay, at this stage of life, I expect that yes, it is not necessary for you people to guide all time. Yes, yes, anybody wanted to say something?
Your voice is.
What happened to voice? Are you not able to listen?
Ma'am, it's clear only though.
Okay, maybe sometimes, see, at the student who is not able to hear the sound clearly, maybe there is some network issue at his or his place, okay. Due to that, it happens many a time. So please sit at a place where you find proper network, okay. So the point I was making, that without speaking all the time about all the arrangements, without speaking also, all the work is regulated automatically by you, by your parents, or by your brothers or sisters, okay. So that non-speaking part is what? That non-speaking part plus work is happening. That verbal communication. This is one example. ठीक है. दूसरा example, आप when you move on road, okay, traffic lights are there, or when you are passing by the roadside, sometimes you find certain symbols, a symbol of cross, a symbol of school going children, okay. So ये पर्टिकुलर जो डायग्राम्स है, ये जो पर्टिकुलर सिंबल्स है, इनका एक कम्युनिकेशन का मोटिव है या इनका एक इंफॉर्मेशन है, इनका एक मैसेज है, ठीक है. जैसे स्कूल गोइंग चिल्ड्रन का कहीं डायग्राम आपको मिलता है साइड में, इसका मतलब क्या है? व्हाट डज दैट मीन? दैट मीन्स दैट देयर इज सम स्कूल नियर बाय, ओके. सो इट इज फॉर द movers on the road to take care of their speed. Why? Maybe some school children going on from that side, okay. So that particular symbol is providing some information. According to that, the movers on the road, okay, those are regulating their movement on the road. That is again non-verbal communication. And traffic lights को हम follow करते हैं. ये स्टूडेंट्स ट्रैफिक लाइट्स को हम फॉलो करते हैं, हाँ. ट्रैफिक लाइट्स को फॉलो करना, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, ओके. एंड sometime what happens when some elderly person or some we can say some of the authority is passing by, and immediately you don't find any word to say, you just nod your head for greeting purpose, okay. यानी आपने ग्रीट किया, आपने आइडेंटिफाई किया उनके प्रेजेंस को, ठीक है. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. इससे रिलेटेड अभी जस्ट एक स्मॉल वीडियो मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी, ठीक है. एंड आई विल बी आस्किंग सम क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू दैट. क्लियर? हाउ इट इज इफेक्टिंग communication, how it is affecting work, okay. I'll be showing that. So this topic again is a very detailed topic. We will discuss about this in detail. Just you need to understand here that whatever one communicates, okay, with the help of the physique, with the help of the eye movements, eye contacts, hand movement, hand gestures, okay, particularly gestures only, okay, tone, colors, okay, volume of the sound. There is a long list of that. Okay, it's a very, we can say, a very broad topic, and we have to discuss this topic in detail. Okay, so at that time we will be discussing in detail. But yes, all these words you are familiar with. So whatever communication happens by using all these, okay, that is of the category non-verbal communication. Do you understand this? See, sometime you find that for some or the other reason, our parents are angry with us, okay, or those are happy with us. So without using any word, they reflect that anger or the happiness through their eye movements. Okay, आई से ही वो रिफ्लेक्ट कर देते हैं कई बार कि उनको उनका एंगर है पर्टिकुलर कॉन्टेक्स्ट के लिए या उनकी हैप्पीनेस है. ठीक है, सो मैसेज इज ऑटोमेटिकली कन्वे टू द अदर साइड एंड अकॉर्डिंगली अदर साइड जो है वो अपने एक्शन को रेगुलेट करता है. तो दिस इज ऑल व्हाट नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर? Yes, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is there.
Yes.
Now, see, kai bar you can just recall some of the experiences of your school level. Okay, maybe sometime you might have observed that teacher is scolding someone, okay, or the teacher is just giving permission to some of the student who is who wants to come in the class. Okay, so the tone of the voice, the words are same maybe many a time, but the tone of the voice is making the difference. Okay, that either the teacher is scolding for the late arrival or teacher is not bothering much or is not paying much attention to that. Okay, and simply asking the student to enter the class. Okay, so with the tone of the words spoken, we get to know whether the teacher is angry or the teacher is not that much concerned about the students' late arrival. Okay, so that is also non-verbal communication. वो जो टोन को हम कंसंट्रेट करके जो हम एक इंफॉर्मेशन गेन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, वो नॉन वर्बल एस्पेक्ट है. ठीक है, that again is very much important for effective communication, and it adds lot of meaning to the verbal communication also many a time. Okay, so it is very much important to understand this. Is this point clear, students? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And many time you find some images, okay, that see, the hands are folded in this manner. Are you able to see me? Okay, the hands are folded in this manner. So this is the Indian greeting manner. Okay, it means without uttering a word, sometimes some person just do this gesture. Okay, it means the person is greeting. Okay, so that is non-verbal communication. ये non-verbal communication है. ठीक है? Now, और ये non-verbal communication में if कोई effective है, ठीक है, exactly जैसा sender ने information share करना चाहा है, वैसा का वैसा if receiver उसको gain करता है, ठीक है, so that is again effectivity of communication. Okay, if the student is able to identify the anger of the teacher's sound, if the person is able to identify the anger or the happiness of the parent's sound, okay, and accordingly the further action is regulated, that is effective communication. Okay, so that again is very important. Now the next point is clarity and concision. Now this is very much important at a formal place, at a workplace. Okay, why? Because many a time, as many of the works are of routine, those are the repetitive works. Okay, so it is unnecessary to detail every time. Okay, Yes, it is necessary to inform even about that repetitive work, even about that routine work, but yes, in a short possible manner, okay, with much clarity. So in terms of verbal communication, how the clarity will come, the correct words will be used, okay, in the correct format, the words will be, the information will be arranged, okay, and it will be mentioned in a brief manner. All time, the details are not required. Maybe see, this concision is related to many time for oral communication. Okay, whenever the matter comes of writing, the detailed information is always accepted. But there also the concision can be done. How it can be done? By highlighting the information, okay, or by even developing a summary also, by even developing a précis also of the information. Okay, so at a workplace, it is always necessary to be clear and concise. Okay, to the point, and the very exact information should be shared at a workplace. Okay, to bring more and more effectivity, to utilize time. Okay, that is necessary, and that is if somebody is having these skills, okay, the person is very good at communication. Okay, or we can say the person promotes the effective communication. So this is again required skills, sorry. Okay, now the next point is friendliness. Yes, students, this is again very much important for effective communication. Friendliness.
मैम
Yes,
मैम एक बार कंसेशन को रिपीट कीजिएगा.
कंसाइजन को, इसको ये है
Yes, ma'am.
प्रिसाइजन, शॉर्टनिंग. इसका एक सिंपल वर्ड आप लिख लीजिए साथ में, शॉर्टनिंग. ओके, आपने
Okay, ma'am.
समरी राइटिंग की एक्सरसाइज कभी करी है 12th तक?
Yes,
समरी
ma'am.
राइटिंग किया है कभी?
हाँ
है ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
हम समरी राइटिंग में क्या करते हैं, एक डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन हमको प्रोवाइडेड
छोटे में
होती है.
लिखते हैं. हाँ, उसको
हाँ,
छोटे में लिखते हैं.
उसको, हाँ, उसको हम शॉर्ट करते हैं, लेकिन उस शॉर्टनिंग में हम जो इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स है उनको स्किप नहीं करते. ठीक है, जो इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स है वो हम डेफिनेटली पिक करते हैं, लेकिन जो रिपीटेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन है उसको हम छोड़ देते हैं समरी में. ठीक है, या जो
Yes,
बहुत रूटीन इंफॉर्मेशन है, जो बहुत सिंपल इंफॉर्मेशन है, जो बहुत सिंपल वी कैन से स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन है, उसको हम छोड़ देते हैं. यस, जो नया है, जो इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसको हम हाईलाइट करते हैं. दैट इज कंसाइजन.
Okay,
ठीक
ma'am.
है, फॉर्मल प्लेस पे ये एक्सपेक्टेड है. इवन घर पे भी कई बार सपोज आपके पेरेंट किसी इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, या फादर जो है ऑफिस निकल रहे हैं, क्लियर, और आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट उनसे मैसेज शेयर करना है, तो व्हाट योर फादर सेज कि जल्दी से बता दो, एक दो वर्ड्स में बता दो, एक दो सेंटेंस में बता दो. मे बी आपके दिमाग में था कि वो एटलीस्ट मैं 10 to 15 मिनट्स इस इंफॉर्मेशन को डिस्क्राइब करूंगा, ठीक है, लेकिन ड्यू टू द कंस्ट्रेंट ऑफ द टाइम, बट योर पेरेंट फाइंड्स दैट यस यू आर क्यूरियस इनफ, द इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी शेयर्ड इमीडिएटली, तो वो आपसे क्या कहते हैं कि जल्दी से शॉर्ट में बता दो. ठीक है, दैट इज कंसाइजन. ठीक है, फॉर्मल प्लेस में तो ये एक्सपेक्टेड है, बिकॉज ऑल द टाइम जो है सारी डिटेल्स सुनने के लिए अथॉरिटीज के पास टाइम नहीं होता. ठीक है, हाँ, रिटन में हो तो उसको आप डिटेल कर सकते हो, उसको आप डिटेल डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो, बट whenever it comes the matter of oral communication, it is expected कि शॉर्ट में सारी इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो डिलीवर कर दे. कुछ कुछ रिपीटेटिव टास्क के लिए, कुछ कुछ रूटीन टास्क के लिए, कुछ जब इंपॉर्टेंट फर्स्ट टाइम कोई टास्क हो रहा होता है, ठीक है, उसके लिए तो मे बी डिटेल डिस्कशन रिक्वायर्ड होता है, लेकिन जो प्रोफेशनल प्लेस के जो रूटीन टास्क है, जो रिपीटेटिव टास्क है, उनके लिए ये बहुत एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है डे टू डे अफेयर डील करने के लिए. ठीक है, सो दैट इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? ये समझ में आ गया आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
is friendliness. Friendliness means an environment of comfort. Okay, what do we mean by an environment of comfort? It means at least that space is provided, that opportunity is provided, or that space is developed where each and every participant of that organization, each and every member of that organization can forward their information, can say their information, can share their information. Okay, if that type of environment is there in some organization, even if you relate this particular context with some of the social space, if the we can say that that social space is quite comfortable, okay, people at that place or people in that family, people in that social circle will always be happy. Okay, they will have a healthy mentality, they will be happy enough, and they will be more productive. Clear? Same happens at a workplace also. If there is an environment of comfort, okay, at least the members of that organization, the employees of that organization has that impression that yes, if we have something to bring forward, we can bring forward. If we want to if we want that the higher authority should take notice of this, and we have that opportunity to do that comfortably, easily, then it will be a healthy environment. Okay, people will be more connected, people will be having more sense of belongingness with the organization, and this will be more productive, more progressive. Okay, so this particular environment, this is about environment. Okay, and environment includes many things: employees, their qualifications, their behavior, their task, okay, the infrastructure and everything. Clear? So if this type of environment is there, definitely it is promoting effective communication. Okay, see, you can just think of vice versa situation. If the environment is suffocating one, okay, and people have that information, people have that impression, okay, that if we will say something, we will be punished or our voice will not be heard, okay, they will never say, they will never bring forward the facts. Okay, so this will sometime negatively affect that organization. Clear? And इसको भी ऑटोमेटिकली अथॉरिटीज जो है वो अपने मैनर से रेगुलेट कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि इसका जो है वो कोई फर्दर मिसयूज करे. ठीक है, ये हम एक पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में इस चीज को ले रहे हैं कि इफ द एनवायरनमेंट इज कंफर्टेबल, देन definitely it will promote effective communication, it will promote productivity, it will promote progress of the organization. Okay, that is the ultimate goal of that organization. Now the next is empathy. Okay, if there is a state of effective communication, definitely there will be empathetic concern of the people. Okay, see, एम्पैथी जो है वो फ्रेंडलीनेस से स्लाइटली डिफरेंट है. ये इमोशनल पॉइंट को इंक्लूड करता है. ठीक है, इसमें सब कुछ इन्वॉल्व है, इसमें इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी इन्वॉल्व है, वेरियस पर्सनालिटीज भी इन्वॉल्व है, इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन भी इन्वॉल्व है. ठीक है, बट ये जो है ये पर्टिकुलरली इमोशनल हेल्थ से रिलेटेड है. ठीक है, सो if people are emotionally healthy in some organization, okay, those are emotionally strong, what will happen? There will be a lot of progress in the organization because they can deal even their personal problems. At the same time, they can sort out the problems of others people also of emotional level. Okay, so and with this particular notion, people will be emotionally connected to each other. Again, the sense of belongingness, okay, that is promoted by empathy. Okay, and जब belongingness का sense होगा तो definitely each and every personnel of that organization will try to input 100% in that. Okay, yes students, is this point clear? Empathy. Okay, it is, we can say, advanced version of sympathy. ये सिंपैथी का एडवांस्ड वर्जन है, एम्पैथी. ठीक है, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ओपन माइंडेडनेस. Okay, if this particular feature, this particular state is reflected in the communicator's personality, it means those are effective communicators, or whenever these people are doing some communication, that converts into effectivity only. Okay, why? Because they are always ready for the progressive, productive suggestions, directions, decisions. Okay, and those are also open for the various situations of human in this earthly life. Okay, so if these people are of that state, definitely that will add to progress, productiveness, okay, and even sustainability. Clear? So that is the thing. And the last, that is respect. Okay, a mutual respect will be there for each other. Okay, if people are good at their communication skills. Okay, and if we can say the we can see the vice versa situation. If people are engaged in effective communication, definitely those will respect each other's medium opted, the information shared, and accordingly those will work. Okay, why? Because those will have less confusion, less type of diversion. Okay, and those will at least try to attend the information at initial level. Okay, try to understand. Attend the information is one thing, understanding is the other thing. Okay, and due to that, those are always ready to share or to exchange informations with each other. Okay, with all concerns, with all respects. So these are some of the, we can say, some of the states, okay, which reflect that yes, there is a state of effective communication, or there there should be some improvement, or there could be some improvement. Okay, so that is the point. Now this we have discussed features. Okay, now let us talk about what is organizational communication, because this is the very important thing we need to focus on. Okay, when we are discussing communication in a formal learning, we are definitely concerned about the organizational communication. Okay, in other way also we can see that for human beings, we can, or we have studied a lot that these are the social beings. Okay, nothing can happen in isolation in human life. Okay, or for humans, everything is the output of some collective effort. Clear? So because of that, we need to understand that there is some organization always. Okay, there is some association, there is some group, okay, which is working, or for what the work is done. Okay, the group is working, or the work is done for group. This we need to understand always. Okay, so if it is a group, then definitely the coordination, the cooperation, okay, of many people should be there. Yes, are you getting this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so we need to have a
Yes,
very clear
ma'am.
idea what is organizational communication. Okay, so for that we need to understand this point first. Organization, the term organization, okay, organization means association of many. It is not collection, association. ठीक है, कलेक्शन वर्ड हम किसके लिए यूज करेंगे? जब हम फिजिकली उन चीजों को असेंबल कर सकते हैं एक साथ. ठीक है, लेकिन हम ह्यूमन बींग्स के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, ठीक है, तो हम उनको एसोसिएट करते हैं टू फ्रेम an organization, to frame a group. Okay, so association of persons is there. So in that association of persons, okay, varied level of communication happens. and it is expected, if we are concerned about some professional organization, okay, it is expected that it would happen effectively, okay, and then only it can bring productivity, it can bring progress for the organization. Okay, so this we need to understand. Yes, students, what's the time? Already it is 10:20.
10:20.
Okay, fine. So let me stop this here itself, because this is a separate topic we will discuss in next class.
मैम एग्जाम कोड
एग्जाम कोड भी बता दूंगी अभी आपको, रुकिए आप। एग्जाम आपको 6 बजे तक अवेलेबल है, तो आपको परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है। मैं जस्ट आपको एक वीडियो शेयर कर रही हूँ नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन का, ठीक है, जस्ट 1.5 मिनट का वीडियो है, आप इसको just try to gain some information from this. We will discuss about.
What can I get started for you today? What size? All right. 3 venti lattes. Would you care for a pastry? No? Oh, mocha. 3 mocha lattes. Oof, double chocolate chip muffin. Yum. You want 3 Paul McCartney CDs. Awesome. Now, I love the Beatles. They are my life. Assassination. Abraham Lincoln. You, me, gun, shoot. 3 shots. I know, I'm a little slow today. All right, so 3 lattes, 3 mochas, double chocolate chip muffin, and 3 shots. No assassinations. Oh, and 3 Paul McCartney CDs. That's gonna be 68.12.
Yes, students. Did you observe what was the situation in this?
Yes.
What was the situation? Quickly, one of you please tell. Meanwhile, I'm noting down the exam code in your chat box, so you can see from there. Yes, what was the situation?
The customer was trying to explain what he wants.
Yes.
But क्या बोले उसको?
Through what? Through using what? Fingers, eyes.
Through using hand gestures.
Yes, hand movement, not hand gestures, hand movements.
Okay, hand movements.
हाँ. और facial expression से भी वो समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा था.
हाँ, hand movements and facial expression.
हाँ.
But the person wasn't understanding.
Eyes were also participating in that. है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
हाँ. और same was happening, but जो है same जो है वो काउंटर बॉय भी यूज कर रहा था, लेकिन साथ के साथ he was also doing the verbal he was using the verbal medium also. Words. Yes. Okay, but the customer was not using a single word. So yes. Just let me know quickly that was the customer able to clarify the information through his non-verbal communication? जो कुछ वो कर रहा था वो non-verbal communication है. आप समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? He was trying to place some information. ठीक है, अब वो कहाँ तक उसको कर पाया नहीं कर पाया ये दूसरी बात है, but what customer was trying to do, he was trying to place some information to that counter boy of that restaurant. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, लेकिन अब वो सक्सेसफुल था या नहीं था ये भी मुझे आप बताओ जरा, आपको क्या समझ में आया? सक्सेसफुल था?
एट एंड
नहीं
तो वो सक्सेसफुल
था सक्सेसफुल?
लास्ट में
No, ma'am. He was
No,
not.
no, ma'am.
हाँ, तो
Successful
नो
नहीं
बोल
था.
रहा है वो क्लैरिफाई करो,
अगर
जो नो बोल
काउंटर
रहा है वो
बॉय का
क्लैरिफाई
हटा
करो.
देंगे तब काउंटर बॉय का जो
Because
सब कुछ ऐड कर दिया वो छोड़ के ऐसे
हाँ
एंड में तो सही था।
ठीक है, चलो ये आपका पॉइंट है, बिल्कुल ये हमने अभी अभी कंसिडर किया है, हम इसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, ठीक है, डिस्कस करेंगे. यस, द स्टूडेंट हु वाज सेइंग नो, वो एक्सप्लेन करो जरा, फटाफट करो.
Ma'am, he was not able to explain the counter boy because the counter boy has taken all the orders which was not actually um, given by the customer.
Customer. Yes, okay, fine. Any other point of any other student? Is there any other
When
point
he,
you want to? हाँ
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
When he
क्या है
left,
बताओ.
when he left, he was not happy. He was like frustrated, kind of emotion was there on his face.
Yes, okay. अब yes, ठीक है. So these are the perceptions of ours in terms of the in terms of the non-verbal communication of the customer. Okay, यानी जो customer non-verbal medium use कर रहा था communication के लिए, ठीक है, ये हमारे उसके regarding various perceptions है. Clear? तो इसमें हमारा एक perception तो ये आया कि the customer himself was not able to clarify his order. He was ordering for some of the edibles के लिए order कर रहा था ना वो.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So although he was using hands, he was using eyes, he was using facial appearance, okay, but he was not able to clarify the exact item which he wanted to order. ठीक है. ये एक पर्सपेक्टिव है कस्टमर का. अब इसको आप काउंटर बॉय के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आप चेक करो तो काउंटर बॉय वाज ट्राइंग, okay, I will not add here word hard, okay, the customer boy was trying to receive the information, receive the message, okay, कि क्या आइटम वो ऑर्डर करना चाह रहे हैं, वो he wanted to know that, okay, but as he was not much practiced with certain type of situation, he was not in habit of certain type of situation, so he was not able to get the exact information in terms of the order. ठीक है. तो काउंटर बॉय को भी समझ में नहीं आ रही थी. क्यों? बिकॉज वो उसके प्रैक्टिस में नहीं है, वो उसकी हैबिट में नहीं है. ठीक है. मे बी कोई 2 महीने में या साल में कोई एक आधा कस्टमर ऐसा आता होगा. ठीक है. तो ही इज नॉट इन हैबिट. ऐसा उसके नॉन वर्बल एस्पेक्ट से लगा काउंटर बॉय के. ठीक है. एज ही वॉज वेरी मच कैजुअल, वो भी इतना अटेंटिव नहीं था, बोले जा रहा था कि अच्छा आप ये लेना चाहते हो, ये लेना चाहते हो, ये लेना चाहते हो. ही वॉज नॉट साइलेंट फॉर सम टाइम, ही वॉज नॉट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, ये उसके नॉन वर्बल एस्पेक्ट से रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो है, कस्टमर जो है ही वॉज ट्राइंग हार्ड, ओके, कि वो काउंटर बॉय को समझा दे अपने ऑर्डर आइटम्स के बारे में. तो उसने वेरियस मेथड्स उसके लिए यूज करे एंड उसने फाइनली उसको ऑर्डर प्लेस किया. ठीक है. आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि जैसे ही काउंटर बॉय ने उसको रिपीट किया कि अच्छा आपने ये आइटम ऑर्डर किया है और इसका ये अमाउंट है. ठीक है. होता है ना, हम भी रेस्टोरेंट जाते हैं तो हम ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं, तो जो भी ऑर्डर, the person who is receiving the order confirms that these items you have ordered and this is the cost. Okay. जब हम टेक अवे टाइप के रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं तो वहां पे इस टाइप का प्रैक्टिस होता है. इवन when we are eating there itself, then also the boy he confirms the order कि आपने ये ऑर्डर किया है ना, यही आपको चाहिए. ठीक है. तो ऐसे उस काउंटर बॉय ने भी किया. एंड as soon as, अब यहाँ पे आपने इफ ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कस्टमर का फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, तो जैसे उसने आइटम्स के बारे में बोला, he was not understanding much. Okay. Why? Because maybe he was not familiar with the words, with the names of those items. Okay. But जैसे ही उसने अमाउंट बोला ना, तो he was surprised. Why? उसके सरप्राइज का ये भी रीजन हो सकता है कि he was thinking कि इतना अमाउंट कैसे हो सकता है, इतना अमाउंट तो नहीं होना चाहिए. This was the actual interpretation of his facial expression at that time कि इतना अमाउंट कैसे हो गया, मैंने इतना अमाउंट वाला तो मैंने कुछ ऑर्डर नहीं किया. He was expecting something less but it was high. ऐसा उसके फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से लग रहा था. ठीक है. एंड वेरी करेक्ट. As two of the students have mentioned, 2 or 3 students have mentioned that yes, when the customers was leaving that place, he was not that much satisfied, he was not that much happy. ठीक है. क्यों? Because जो प्रोडक्ट, जो आइटम उसने रिसीव करे, maybe he was in doubt that these are not the same which are to be ordered, sorry, which were to be ordered, and प्राइस भी उसको ज्यादा पे करना पड़ा. ठीक है. Maybe these were the 2 points which were pinching his brain. So he was, as his appearance was reflecting, उसने कुछ भी नहीं कहा कि मैं परेशान हूं, कुछ है, ऐसा कुछ कहा क्या? वर्ड्स का यूज किया क्या उसने? ऐसे कुछ नहीं किया ना. ठीक है. लेकिन उसके फेशियल अपीयरेंस से, उसके मूवमेंट से ऐसा रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ कि he was not happy. Okay, or he was in some doubt. Yes, students. So the communication was happening. Although the communication was happening, but it was sometime effective, it was sometime non-effective. Okay, and because of that, confusion happened. Fine, students. ये समझ में आया आपको? Yes, you can join your next class. You can leave. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Google Classroom code.